Are you with us? So where we're going today?
We're going to the Parque of Nations. We've seen that there's a band on, some music, some singing and dancing.
Oh,
so
okay.
We're going to go and have a look.
Really
see
good.
what it's all about.
This is the new temporary school on the left. And I think they've just put this up until the proper school's finished, which is getting near completion now, I think, looking at it. See, the cranes are up, 2 cranes finishing off the work, but they put the outer skin on now. It looks really nice. So when that's finished, I suppose they'll take all the temporary classrooms away and they'll all move into this one. Looking good, that now, isn't it?
Coming on, is this school, yeah? It's very big.
Yeah. It's a nice building. So we're on a road that runs parallel with the CV905 coming out of Torrevieja. It's a little quiet road that we come on rather than go on the main road. And this takes us virtually all the way to the Parque of Nations, really. You'll notice there's a few puddles about, caused by a big downpour last night. And good enough rain. Had a pretty decent lightning display while we're sat in the local pub. They were red hot. Very, very warm, but a bit sticky. Nice and pleasant with a beer in your hand. You had a nice little walk there.
I got stuck behind that lamppost and wall. Well, in between it was a bit of a struggle.
You're not as dexterous as me on the bike, are you? Not as nimble.
No.
You'll lose a bit of weight, you know, and then you'll...
Hey?
You'll be alright. Right, here we go then.
Did you see that car? It came up this way. It sort of got halfway, and then this car was coming this way.
Well, you went the wrong way.
He had to back up, so this guy in this car was shouting at him. Well, it were in Spanish, but I presume he was saying, you shouldn't be coming this way.
Or words to that effect.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be coming this way. In true Spanish tradition. Right, we'll cross the road here. Are we free?
Clear.
We're clear.
Clear.
Bit of a lane on this tree.
There is. You can hear music. That's a good sign. It's quite busy.
I think it always is actually, isn't it, on a Sunday.
What's this kiosk selling?
I sold this ice cream and slush puppies. And all sorts of other stuff.
Drinks. Churros.
There they are, look.
Well, there might be some dancers. Said song, dance, music.
Oh, they're very nice, won't it? They're very nice.
You can get up there and do a dance.
Do a dance for you, if you want. Are you on this side? Want to do requests?
Shall they do a request for you? What would you like to hear? Viva España.
Viva España. Be a good one, wouldn't it?
I'll go on the tombola.
It's quite loud, isn't it? Where?
She knows.
Smiling kid.
Yeah.
Hola, and welcome to Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. Today we've come to El Parque de las Naciones.
Oh, well done, you got it right this time.
I don't muck about.
Remember that time we came and we couldn't get it right?
So today we've come to the Parque de las Naciones.
Nothing what?
Naciones. Parque.
Naciones.
Parque de las Naciones. Naciones? It's 4 syllables. Naciones. No, Naciones. Naciones. That's 4 syllables, isn't it?
Yeah.
So today we've come to the Parque de las Naciones.
You put an L in there.
We're from Yorkshire, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're from Yorkshire and we just say we're off to the park. Off to the park. We don't even say the, we say t. T. Like we say, is it in the tin? No, tin. So today we've come to the Parque de las Naciones.
You're putting the L in again.
Is it no L in it?
Yeah.
Naciones.
Naciones.
Naciones. So today we've come to the Parque de las
De las.
Shall
I say
You
it?
say it. So today we've come to the
Parque de las Naciones.
The what? Where the hell are we? Oh, that's, for all that you were so confident you were going to get it right, weren't you? You got it in your mind, didn't you? You got it all sorted out, and then what happened?
I let myself down.
Naciones, that's it. Today we've come to the Parque de las Naciones.
High five.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a fantastic place. It's big. It's 26,000 square metres in the middle of Torrevieja. Well, there we are, right in the thick of it. It's fantastic. You know, we've got people enjoying themselves, people dancing. We've got a band there playing away, as you can hear in the background. Everybody's having a great time. It seems to be a collaboration of the Romanian people and the Spanish. And what do they call it?
It's La Fiesta de la Primavera, which translates as Festival of the Spring, Fiesta of the Spring. So it's like a spring celebration.
Right. Does anybody remember this?
I remember it.
You remember it? Now, one of the episodes we did a few, well, I don't know, must be a couple of years ago now, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. We featured this and it had a mask on. I wonder why it had a mask on. Because it was about in the 2020, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So we put a mask on it. If you want to see the episode, we'll put a link in the description below and you can have a look at it.
But she's a bit worse for wear now.
Yeah, she's been cut in half.
Yeah.
And I'm just wondering if it's anything to do with Danny Boy, the concerto at Altos del Liminar, because he's a bit of a magician. And I'm just wondering if he's sawn her in half.
Maybe.
Anyway.
I'll tell you something else.
What?
She's a little bit cheeky.
Yeah, we won't show you this side. No, YouTube might block us, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
On that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1. Ping!
Adios.